Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. I'm continuing my journey documenting my daughter's life. I'm still busy in the book 5 to 10 years old. And I've got these two photos. What I've done is I didn't really like the backgrounds of it. So I cut out the backgrounds and I just made these small little photos of them. And I'm really going to concentrate on the sort of the elements and the layout of the photos, and I'm using the Felicity Jane mostly Megan kit. I've got some other things from the other Felicity Jane kits, but mostly it's the Megan kit. And I just love the 6x6 rainbow pattern. I've seen so many variations of people using it, so I was just itching to use it. And I eventually got to it. The 6x6 pad is very nice because it's a smaller one than a 12x12, so you can actually use it in a better way. I'm just showing you here that I want to sort of cut it apart and then maybe tuck in some flowers or butterflies in between it. I don't end up doing it at the end, but I think it would have been a good idea. You can always do that if you want to give it a go, if you've got the same papers. Or you can even make your own rainbows. There's no reason why you can't just draw your own artists on different type of paper and just make your own rainbow. It's actually quite a clever idea. So I'm just putting them down to see where it's going to fit. I just love these pastel colors. It's just such a beautiful kit. And then I'm going to put I'm actually putting the wrong photo there. I'm meaning to put the one with the umbrella there, but luckily I realized that before I stick the photo down. So I'm just using double-sided tape and sort of trying to go around the corners with it. I'm using double-sided tapes for the reason why, because I want to maybe tuck the flowers or the butterflies in between, or at least my daughter's photo. I'm going to tuck between underneath it because he doesn't have feet on that photo. So I don't like just to have the photo hanging there in mid-air. I'm sorry about this. It looks a bit awkward to me. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out and see exactly where I'm going to put this, just to measure it. I'm just seeing where everything fits, and I'm just going to do all of it. Here I've done all of it. I was putting the last one down, and then I'm tucking my daughter, as I said, the feet behind it. I just love the fact that she's got this little pretty raincoat and umbrella, and it's the rainbow. Yeah, it just worked out perfectly. When I put the flowers and butterflies in, I didn't really like it, but now I actually do like it. But then I remember I've got this puffy stickers from Felicity Jane. I think it's also from the Megan kit, and I've been hoarding it. I have hardly used any of it because it's just so pretty, but I thought I must just use it because I've specifically bought the Felicity Jane products for this booklet I'm making for my daughter, because it's such pretty and feminine pieces. So I just thought, what's the point having this puffy stickers, and I never use it. So I just thought it looks so pretty going around the rainbow. And I was trying to alternate the colors, for instance, not putting the pink hearts and the pink stripe of the rainbow, and I was trying to hoard my pink ones. I was trying not to using too many pink ones because I know I love pink and I'm always going to use it. When you order from Felicity Jane, you get these little thank you cards, and I've just used that rainbow on the thank you card, and I fussy cut it out and I put it on top of that journaling card. Yeah, I just thought that looks nice. Sorry, I'm a little bit off camera, but I will move it down in a minute. I'm just going to use these also puffy type of alphabet stickers, also from Felicity Jane, and I'm going to put on their rainbow fun. And that's also, I also been hoarding the stickers. I just can't get myself over to start using it, but yes, I've just decided to go for it and just use these stickers because as I said, I bought the kit for this, so there's no point I'm hoarding it. So yeah, I'm just playing around, making sure I've got it straight. Yet again, I'm missing my T-square ruler, which I can't find here in South Africa. I'm still looking for it. So yeah, I would love to have it, so just to make sure my words and things are straight. So yeah, I love how this page stand out. I mean, it's really one of my favorite ones. There you can see everything, and yeah, now I'm just going to put some double-sided small little squares behind the photo of my daughter, so it obviously just stays in place, and there's a backing for it because obviously it's a little bit pop out a little bit because it's on top of the rainbow. And then I put that little rainbow piece I cut out and on top of that, and then I'm just reaching for a cute little bow I bought at our local craft shop, and I just love this page. It's so cute. It turned out very nicely. Last but least, I'm just putting that butterfly down there. And then now I'm going to move over to the next page, which is that photo of my daughter. I think that was on her 6th birthday. And I didn't like the background either. It was in front of my craft room and it was very busy. So I just, as I said, yet again, I cut it out. What I wanted to do I wanted to cut that paper, not to use everything, but I totally did it wrong. So I'm sort of patching it together. So yeah, and at the end I also cut the other piece so it can be the same length of the top piece, because when I realized I put these little heart, this is printable, so I think this is from the Lola kit. And it's a printable from Felicity Jane. So when I print it out, obviously it goes on A4 sheets of paper. So I just put these hearts on top of it, and as I said, patch up the back bit so it can all come together. This is just a doily I've had in my stash, so I just sort of wanted to do this. This page, the thing is, if you make a mistake, then you have to work around the mistake. So I don't think this I like the spade how it turned out, but it not necessarily how I would have done it. But because I had to patch up so many mistakes, I sort of had to work around it. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm putting that beautiful piece of flowers on top of that, the place where I connect the pink polka dot papers. So I just do to take away that mark. And here in advance, I've put I just stenciled out with pencil a heart, because I want to put, it was too white for me, the doily. So I want to just put the heart, pop the heart next to my daughter, just to anchor the photo also. Just otherwise it looks like she's floating in the middle of the page. So I just wanted to do that and bring a little bit more of that pink polka dot um and paper, beautiful papers. I love these papers. And then I pop these beautiful flowers on top. And I end up putting the always sign at the top. But as I look at it now, I thought this looks so much better having it swapped over, because the writing of the rainbow fun is already at the top, and it would have balanced it out nicely. But never mind. Yeah, I just show you that I had this little tag which a black ink mark came on. So I just cut that off, because I know I would probably use it, but I thought it's perfectly just to bring some more color at the top, just to tuck that. It looks like a tag has been tucked there behind, just to give that idea. So that worked out very nicely. And yeah, I put the always sign on. As I said, it would probably be better if I put it at the bottom, just to cancel the two titles out. So not both titles is at the top, so it's a bit heavy at the top. Yeah, I just put a little bit more of that puffy stickers, because it was a bit bare for me in the middle. Yeah, I really love these two pages. If you like it, please like and subscribe. And yeah, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've got a great day. Bye bye.